big shop now. So when you implement Hyperion product suite, this is all come. There are primarily 3 branches, primarily. First, reporting and analysis. So you want to build your career in reporting analysis. We integrate 2 roles, Hyperion planning and budgeting, or in a simple word, planning and budgeting solution. Another solution, another branch for Hyperion implementation is planning, financial closing and consolidation. It is not mandatory for you to learn all. And metadata management. So for planning, reporting, analysis, that one branch of as Hyperion implementation, you could be a developer as space Hyperion developer for we are using Asbase and some reporting tool. This fall under this category. You have planning and budgeting. If you want to be a planning developer or administrator, Hyperion planning. One branch of the career. Then HFM. And in this ODI, DIM, MDM. So you could be developer for the following product or administrator. I mean, it is not essential important for you to learn all the products, but you decide your career branch, or you can go for 2 or 3 products together. We integrate these 2 solutions because industry require, somebody should be knowing Asbase and planning together. So that's a complete Hyperion product family. Let's have a quick introduction about Hyperion Asbase. I just shown you there are many products fall under Hyperion category, and each have a specific business purpose. Let me give you a formal definition of Hyperion Asbase, what it does and why it is used for. So Asbase is nothing in the database. Asbase, it means, Asbase itself means extended database, extended spreadsheet. Extended spreadsheet database. It means it is a database which extends the functionality of spreadsheet or data, spreadsheet or Excel sheet. Now, if you look at this Excel sheet, you can find there's a menu called Asbase. Now, in the old days, why did it come into picture? Why it is a name like this? The reason is that because business users love Excel sheets so much, and they prefer to do all analysis in Excel. For reporting analysis, there are many products coming to market, but these products wanted business user to use some other interface. They wanted them to use Java, .NET, some web-based interface. Now, business users find it so difficult to adopt a new solution because they love and they feel so comfortable working in Excel. So, Asbase provided solution to them. Remaining in Excel, you can do all analysis. You don't need to go for any new interface. Be in Asbase and do all analysis. You can pull data, do all kind of analysis, all business analysis you require. Remaining in Excel, you can do that. That's what it called standard spreadsheet analysis. So it is provided for the user, for the business user who wants to do analysis on business data without following the complex technical, technicality of any product. That is called extended spreadsheet analysis. The reason behind Asbase is so famous and remain the market leader because Hyperion decided to provide solution in remaining in Excel. So it is easy for the user to adopt a new solution rather than go for a new interface. That is one of the important reasons. Apart from technical features. Now it's a database like your relational data. It's like your other traditional databases, Oracle, SQL Server. It's a database, but it's a special category database, a special feature database. Now what does your database do? The basic functionality of databases are store the data, retrieve the data, all data management tasks your database do it. Essbase does the same thing, but it does in a certain manner. So it's a database which is multi-dimensional. So we need to split this word dimension and multi. You need to understand what is dimension. In simple term, what is dimension? For now, let me walk you through with the definition. It's a specific category database which store data in multi-dimensional format, primarily used for rich analysis of business data, which gives you multiple views to the same data at different consolidation level. To understand this in a very simplified manner, let me show you one Excel sheet. Okay. So in this example, this is two-dimensional view. One dimension is time, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Another dimension is your city or province. Now if you look at traditional relational database, this is how your relational database store the data logically in terms of tables, right? In terms of tables, they store the data. But Essbase does the same thing in a different way. Store data in a multi-dimensional format. What is the benefit of storing this way? It ease my data analysis. Now let's look into this two-dimensional view and form two questions. First business question, people want to see the total, assuming these all the numbers are sales. This is all sales data. So what it says, the company want to see total sales for quarter 1 versus quarter 2 for New York. That's called quarter over quarter sales analysis. We want to capture our growth from last quarter to this quarter, how much growth a company has made, quarter over quarter sales analysis. This is the analysis business wants to do it. Now how easy it is to do in this example? This is my business question. So company want to see the quarter 1 sales versus quarter 2 sales for New York. So I just need to compare these two product cell. This is quarter 1 sales for New York. This is quarter 2 sales for New York. So when you compare these two cells, you can simply find from last year to this year. So last quarter to this quarter, last quarter sales was 1000 and this quarter sales is 1200. So my sales growth is 20%. In this example, 20%. Right, let's take another question. So by the current data source or the current way of organizing the data is enough or is capable enough to address this question. So let's say another question. Total sale for New York. We want to identify which city give me more revenue or more sales. We want to compare total sales for New York versus Texas. We want to check the total sales done for the New York versus Texas in order to identify from which city or province I am getting higher sales and revenue. So I would have year over here.